Y'all, it's Ash Wednesday and Ping's is closed in Montego Bay. Oh, c'est dommage. Good thing I went yesterday. Hi, and welcome to Anne Marie's Workshop. My name is Anne Marie and I love to make things with joy. If you like to watch videos about creating through the art of sewing, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. Today is my Friday Sews video. Hashtag Friday Sews was the hashtag created by Jenny Wessner. And she used it for Friday Sews creators to share what they've been doing in the workshops. Kind of like a red folder thing that you take home on Friday evening to tell your parents what you've been doing all week. Well, this week, as you can tell, it's kind of late. Let me tell you what's been going on. All right, first things first, let's talk about the forum topic. What thing do you love the most about sewing? Is it the planning? Is it the cutting out? What is your thing that you enjoy the most? I had to think about it, but I think I know. I think above all, the thing I love the most about sewing is the possibilities. So I'd have to say the planning was my favorite part. I really love all of the other parts. My only thing I don't like is picking things out with my seam ripper. But other than that, the planning, the dreaming, the putting fabrics together and wondering if they'll fit, putting things together and will it work when you do it in reverse? All those kind of things are my most enjoyable. Making grand plans, cutting them out and making them happen. So that's my favorite part of sewing. All right, well this week we had quite a bit of company. My daughter had 2 friends in, and then I had my dear friend Linda in. Say hi, Linda. Wave, Linda. There you go. Now, with all this company, I took the coach to Montego Bay to pick up my dear friend Linda, and we had quite a few adventures. I headed to Montego Bay's Ping's fabric store, but alas, Ping's was closed. Wah, wah, wah. Because it was Ash Wednesday. Luckily for me, I went to Ping's on Tuesday. Because there was a 2-hour wait waiting for Linda at the airport, and I had a rental car. So I decided to take myself over to Ping's and hang out with the lovely ladies at Ping's. And here's a few moments from that right here. You know where I am. I'm at Ping's in Montego Bay. I'm on a road trip picking up a friend. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Uh-oh, y'all. There go the buckets. Let me get over there. It was only after picking up Linda, and we had done some wonderful things. If you have a few hours in Montego Bay, we had walked on Harmony Park Beach. We had gone to the bird sanctuary and fed the hummingbirds. I'll show you some pictures of that here. It was magic. And then it was time to head home to my house and the workshop. Now you hear that sound, that big giant drop? That's me falling off the grid because our solar system is almost installed. We only have one little step left, and as of Saturday, I will be on solar power. I can't tell you how long I've wanted this to happen. I cannot tell you because the prices for electricity are going through the roof here in Jamaica, and you're using the same wattage, but my bill is double. and I don't have air conditioning, and I'm paying a whopping bill. So I'm very, very excited about it. I'll do a video about that so you can see whether solar's for you or not. And I don't know, we'll have to see if it works for us too. So while I was at Ping's, I picked up a few things. I got these cool Ping's fabric store bags that I want to make part of my reversible challenge later this year when I work out all of the parts of it. It's coming soon. Now, I just wanted to take a moment to show you some of the fabric that I purchased at Ping's while I was there. You know, I'm a big advocate of their clearance section, but I also found some other things, and I will give you the prices, and somewhere on the screen I'll show you the conversion. But the first thing I bought was this beautiful brush knit fabric with these huge flowers and the light blue background. I got about 4 yards of it. It retailed for $500 a yard, Jamaican, and I will do the conversion somewhere around here. But it was very beautiful and like 60 or 70 inches wide. Now this next knit is an oldie but goodie. I got 4 yards of it. I have made this in a shirt. I've also made it in a dress that didn't quite turn out right for me, but was great for my daughter. But I bought some more of it because 2 yards, because I wanted to make some lounge pants, because the shirt that I made with it is such a comfort. It feels so good. I thought if I made some lounge pants with it, I'd be very happy with it. So I bought 2 yards of that. Quite a bit of time in the chalice section. I got 2 dark florals and 2 geometrics. So this dark floral was so beautiful to me. I can't quite tell if it's black or navy. I have to go out in the sun, but it was a huge dark floral chalice, and I like these because they're good year round. You can wear them in the summertime, you can wear them in the fall, spring, and winter because they have that dark background. So that's the first thing I got in chalice. This other chalice in this botanical print with the black background, and I got 4 yards of this as well. It was listed for $5.20, so I'll give you the conversion rate over here. It's about 60 inches wide. And then let's get to the geometry. Next, I got 4 yards of this beautiful abstract, 4 yards of beautiful abstract chalice in black and white. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna make of it, but I just didn't want to pass it. I loved it so much. This last mustard and cream chalice, I got this in response to that closet core fabric. Hold on 1 minute. I got this beautiful closet core fabric. My daughter got it. I'm inspired to come up with something to make of it. It's quite challenging. And I got this mustard striped chalice because I felt somehow I could work some magic with it and it would go with it. So I took a chance on it, but I only got 2 yards. Now, beside palling around with my lovely friend Linda, who is beyond a friend, she's a sewing pal as well, I pieced together and cut out my Pattern Fantastique pattern that I'm getting ready to get started on. It's one thing I'm very excited about doing, and you have to kind of love what you sew. So I'm working on that, and I've got my fabrics, and I've made my decision, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm thinking there might be a little reversibility happening here. I'm not promising it, but I'll keep you posted. Last thing I've been working on is this barrel dress by Named Patterns. I love this bomber. I have made it in Ankara fabric with a beautiful zipper, and it just didn't fit the way I want it to fit. I want it to be kind of luxurious. That could be another word for bigger. I just want more fabric in it. And while Named has gone back and they have taken a few of their patterns and upsized the pattern range on them, which I truly appreciate, they have not done it on the barrel bomber dress yet. It is still only up to US size 14, and I need it to go up to US size 20. Thank you very much. So I have been spending time expanding it, grading it up, but I think this is going to require a muslin. I don't think the work I've done with it on paper to expand the size, while I think I may have drafted it correctly, I still think before I cut into my brocade fabric, I'm gonna give it a shot in a muslin first, and we'll see how that goes. So it has been a wonderful week. There has been lots of laughter. I am coming along on the Sarah Challenge, the reversible wardrobe. They're all, most of them are finished. They're in final fitting. In other words, we're tweaking every little detail or putting on hems. I have to say it ended up being 10 garments, not 7. And that video is coming soon. I'm sorry. I have been having fun with these people and I'm a little behind on my stuff, but we will catch up eventually, and I will have pictures for you and stuff to talk about. So I hope you're having a fabulous Friday, and we will see you next Friday. Take care.